equals your Acer N19H2 just won't turn on. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Sometimes, the power issue could be caused by a faulty battery or an internal component failure. We carefully diagnose the device to find the root cause and replace any faulty parts. This helps your Acer N19H2 function perfectly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.